Hi, everyone is doing great. Today I'm going to explain about our difference between string buffer and string builder. Hope it became fast, right? So I want to tell in a proper manner now. I am going to check the difference between string builder and string buffer today. For that I am taking two methods. So the difference between string buffer and string builder are not much, but if we take the performance of both, we can check that. So today I'm going to take that check only. So the difference, why that performance difference, also I'm going to discuss in the end of this video. So let's get started. So I'm going to take two methods for that. Two both are public static methods, so that I can call them with the class name directly. So public static, I'm not going to return anything. Get for performance of string builder first. Okay, in that I am taking the object of a string builder. String builder. Hope this is a predefined package from the predefined package lang. So no need to import that. String builder build builder. I'm taking builder. So new string builder. For performance, how we can check performance? The time elapsed by the performance of this object. So for that, I'm taking one long time start start of the performance start time. How we can take this? We can take from the predefined method system dot current time. Yes, millis. We need to remember that millis millis. It will return the milliseconds of the current time. So I'm going. Everybody will get confused here. E, e will be there, but it's not E. Just millis millis. It will return on long milliseconds of current system time. And I want to add some data to this string builder using a loop. You know how much I am taking. Int I is equal to 0. Now we can take from 1. I less than or equal to 1 lakh. 1 lakh loops I am taking so that we can get the performance very proper manner. In that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add one string. I'm going to not string exactly this number itself. We are going to add. How we can add append will is append, and so not only with this loop we will get a performance. With this appending also, how much time taking to append this, that also depends on the performance. So for that I'm taking multiple additions again and again, so we can check that very proper way. So adding this completed. After this loop, I am going to check the time taken by this loop. System dot out dot. I always get confused. I always miss this if while typing this statements. So hope I have typed correctly. Mm, okay. I'm going to tell that performance of string builder. So I'm going to append something called the current. I'm going to take current. Why to struggle this much? We will take from here. This time from this time. I'm going to subtract the start time so that we will get the time elapsed by the operation of the for loop. So we have to remember this to if you want you are performing some mathematical operation, so better to keep in a braces. This statement not at over. We are going to milliseconds. How much milliseconds happen? We need to tell like this. I have taken for string builder. Same want to take for string buffer also, striker also. So buffer string buffer. If you want to, you change the method name also, but you have to change here. It must because string buffer and string builder are both are different. I'm taking the current time to find string builder. So we have to change this to buffer. The main difference here is string buffer is thread safe, like you can perform in multi-threaded environment. The performance is very much pretty good, but in for string builder is not thread safe in multi-threaded environment. You cannot get much performance from string build. That's why I prefer to go for string buffer. Means hope everybody knows string thread safe means it will take more time than non-thread safe. Hence the thread buffer is thread safe means it's gonna take much time than this string builder. So I hope everything got settled well. Let's call the two methods with the class name because while starting itself I told those are static methods. We can call them very handy. Main dot string buffer method I am calling them. So here we can print get printed this string buffer and string. If everything goes well, I wanted to do in this predefined. I don't wanted to do this in predefined concept. In Visual Studio Code, if you want to get the console very fast, you can press Control plus tilt. Tilt symbol will be there behind Escape button, so you can use that. So now I want to check this in command prompt. How you will open command prompt from this Visual Studio Code? Or now I am opening directly, but I will tell the secret of this in the next check-ins. Okay, now hope this is my first time compilation. I have taken one package. That's why I'm compiling like this. And I hope everything goes well. It will compile successfully. Oh yes, everything got good. So here we can check like compile done, and I am executing now. How I will execute Balaji dot PC. Why I am taking this? Why I am taking this Balaji dot PC dot main is for that I need to close this show. I am taking this package name here. So if you compile like this, the class file will store in this location of this current file happen. So if you want to execute, you need to give the path of the class file like this, and there the main is a class. I mean that class. So it had given me the time performance. String builder taken 51 seconds, milliseconds, not seconds, milliseconds. Performance of the string buffer 40 seconds. So it is a thread safe. So it has a thread safe means it has taken more. Is not thread safe. String builder is not thread safe. That's why it has taken much time. String buffer is thread safe. It's completed the task in very fast. I want to check again. 48 seconds and 40 seconds. So we will get confused. String buffer is dead safe, so it has taken less time. String builder is not dead safe, so it has taken more time to perform the operation. So like this. So one conclusion about string buffer and string builder is string buffer is synchronized one and string builder is non-synchronized one. That is the secret of string builder and string buffer. Hope that's all for checking the experiment done for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.